Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to embed a YouTube video in Squarespace. So first you have to open your Squarespace and then tap on the specific template right here. For example, for this site, I'm going to embed a video. So I'm going to tap this one right here, or you can create a new website. So for example, this is your site and you should see an edit button at the top. So all you have to do to add a video or embed a video here, tap on this edit option. And then what you're going to do next is you have to simply add a section right here. So how are you going to do that? You have to look for add section. Usually you can see that at the middle of each section right here. So for example, this one, tap on add section. And then what you're going to do next is you have to basically look for add block. So once you have your new section right here, you have to look for add a block or add block. And then once you tap this one, you will see different options such as adding image, adding a link. So for example, if you want to add a video or import a video from your laptop or computer, just tap on this one. Click this box right here. You should see and upload a file. And all you have to do is upload that specific video from your computer or from your laptop, and here it is. But since our tutorial is all about how to embed a video or how to embed video, like just say YouTube, so all you have to do again is go to add block, and then you have to look for embed, and then you have to go to that specific site, for example, YouTube, share a video, tap on the share icon right here, copy the link, go back to your Squarespace, and then paste the link on that embed section. So let me do it again. Add block, tap on embed, and then paste the URL on this section where you can see add link. Okay, so this one, paste it right here and then wait for a couple of seconds and you should see the video right away. So basically, that's how easy it is to embed a YouTube video in Squarespace. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.